So hey guys, check this out here. I just picked up some crossbars that'll fit a 2016 to 2021 Honda Pilot. They're from Bogue RV here. Great construction. They give you all the tools you need, even a little screwdriver. Here's the end caps. I highly recommend using these. I've used them in the past before. They're great. Just like OEM, you can't even tell the difference, and they're half the price. So here's all the parts you get. They even label them here so you know. This is the front bar, right hand side, because there's two different size bars. One's a little bit bigger, and it fits all the OEM roof rails too. Very easy design. They give you everything you need here, all the hardware, instructions. Should take you about 30 minutes to install. So basically, here's what you have. You have this end cap here. This little flange comes off, it just pops in there. You slide it on here, and you put two of the screws included to lock this down on one side. About there would be good. And then the other side, you kind of wiggle it when you get it on the car there, so it's a nice tight fit. And then you lock it down, and then you're going to screw that to the car. It's really easy. They have instructions here, but the main thing I can tell you is you put one end cap on and tighten it down really tight, and so that's done. Then the other one, you have to take it to the roof of your car and get it to the right width, and then you sink it down there. Then it's easy. Then you're just going to bolt it to the holes that are on the car. Really basic to do. You just get it where it's a nice tight fitment, and then lock these things down and put the cap back on them. And that's all you do. So they are adjustable. And then this thing just snaps in here. I'll try to do it with one hand here. Here, I'm going to go ahead and snap this on. I'll show you what it looks like when it's snapped. Okay, so it's all popped in there. And then right here, there's two screw holes. You just line that up and you screw it in with both sides. Like I said, the other side, you're going to get it and adjust this end piece out so it's tight. And you can even mark it if you wanted. Use like a chalk pencil or something, mark that there. Then flip it over and then sink those screws in to tighten it up. Then you know it's a tight fit, and then go ahead and screw it into the car. It's very easy. It's not hard to do at all. Like I said, it's easier with two people. So one person's going to hold the other end up so you don't scratch your car. But it's real basic. Same thing with the other side. I did it myself, took about 30 minutes. Like I said, they even give you the tool, so you don't need anything else. And like I said, these are about half the price, and as you saw earlier, there's a 10% off right now if you use that code. So definitely check the description, click that link, and use that code. You'll get 10% off your order. Free shipping, guys. You'll probably get it in 2 to 3 days. Really good. I highly recommend these. Like I said, the OEM ones are nice, of course. These look identical, and they will save you about half the cost. So let me go ahead and show you them on the car. So here they are, guys. I'm up here on the car. I want to show you here what I'm talking about. So you can see the end caps, how they're bolted down, and I'll show you if I can get in here. Turn the light on. So you can see it here. That's just where you're screwing it in there. Really easy. You line it up to the holes, screw them in all the way around, cinch them up really tight, and that's what you got. It's really nice. They're a nice streamlined look, super sturdy. Hold anything you want on them. If you see here, they're a lower profile design too, so they don't really cause much wind noise at all. I've had some that were a lot taller and they cause a lot of wind noise. These are real streamlined. Doesn't detract from the car. See the little where they bolt into the car there, and they barely rise up above it. It's really nice. Like I said, all you have to do is put one side on and then adjust that end cap to get that tight fitment, and then secure that down, and then you just bolt them to the car. So check that out. It's really nice, streamlined look. Kind of Intel. Like I said, they'll haul anything you need. You know, and how they're lower too, it'll help with clearance issues. When you guys put stuff, you put luggage or canoes or kayaks. Let me go ahead and put something up there and I'll kind of give you an idea. Okay, so I just threw a ladder up there really quick. You can see it holds it nice and streamlined. All you'd have to do is strap it down, of course, with some straps. It's really nice. So I want to show you what a nice thing about this too. How they're just the perfect height. So you see they don't really go up too much higher than the car. But then when you come around here, if you look at that fin, they're high enough that anything you load on there that's straight, it will not hit that fin. So it's a smart design. Because if they're too low, you'd hit that, it'd kind of get in the way. So here, you can go straight back with it. If it's a canoe, a kayak, and it'll clear that fin there. Really nice. Highly recommend these. Like I said, definitely check them out. Let me take this car outside. I'll do a walk around. You can see what it looks like outside. So check that out. Like I said, it all blends in really nice. My favorite part about them is they don't stick up really high. So it's really hard to tell. Because I've seen some that stick up like a good 3 to 4 inches. And these ones, like I said, are barely higher than that little fin. Really nice design. Highly recommend them. Don't spend $250 for the OEM ones. These right now will run you, I think, $110 with the coupon. Shipped to your house for free. And like I said, this is a 2021. The directions say they fit 2016 to 2020, but they also fit the 21, since nothing changed with the roof rails on those cars. So it will fit. Like I said, if you need crossbars, definitely check them out and pick up a set. Easiest way to go. If you have any questions, comments, definitely leave them below. I'll get back to you. I appreciate it. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks, everybody.